Hey, howdy do out there everyone, my name is Michael and welcome to the Duke Corner. I wanted to show something really cool and very different today. Normally I would be doing the animating and the drawing and all that, but today I did the sound design. Sound design is a pretty massive part of animation, and I wanted to show this because it's part of the process, and also because it's part of my path in becoming an all-in-one animator. My end goal, as foolish as perhaps it may be, is to be able to do it all myself. The music, the sounds, the storyboarding, animatics, animation, writing, design, and every other thing in between, including the in-betweens, which I seem to struggle with a lot, but that's for another day. I've spent a good part of the last semester doing sound design for various projects, but this is the last one I made. 2 8-minute animations by a Bulgarian animator named Donyo Donev, who released many of these merry melody-akin cartoons from 1970 to 1980. The originals had very limited sounds, I think created by Donev with just appliances he had around him, and a couple of instruments that he played, which were mostly focused on exclamation and music. I pulled back on the exclamations and tried to create a more full environment with my sounds, all of which I produced myself with household objects. I mean, except the music of course, though I did edit that to make it fit nice. Though my sounds may miss the mark of a true Foley artist, I find this little show, after watching it so many times, rather charming. So I hope you all enjoy part 1 of this 2-part TV series, my sound design on Donyo Donev's 3 Foolish Men. Enjoy! Yo! Shh. Yo!